So, Assalamu alaikum to you all. Hopefully, you all are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I'm also fine here, Alhamdulillah. And today is the first day of this holy and blazing month, Ramadan Mubarak. Wishing you all very, very happy Ramadan Mubarak. Wishing our Almighty Allah bless all of us and grant our good deeds and good dua and forgive us what uh, we had done wrong, and wish you all happy uh, good Ramadan. But in this video I'm going to say something to you all. Actually, I'm going to share a story about my Bajigar birds. Actually, today I tried to make them happy, to make them out from their cage so that they can fly free randomly in my little home, and I made them out from their cage, but they were so scared when they got out from their cage, and they did not eat anything that time, and that is why I think I should make them in their case, and I tried to catch and get them into their case, but unfortunately one of them has flown out. But I tried to catch this bird, but I am failed. I failed, and this bird was a girl, and I had four birds in my case, but now uh, there are three birds. One bird is missing from now, and this situation make me so sad. I don't know what should I do right now, and I don't know about this bird, what it will face today or night tonight. Please do pray for this bird so that it can get a good nest for it. But I think it will be get in danger because this type of birds which cannot fly well, and I think someone will catch this bird or anything uh, will be happened bad with this bird. I'm so sorry about this situation. I don't know, my Almighty Allah uh, mm, forgive me or not for this cause, but I'm so sorry. I don't know what should I do right now. And please do pray for me so that that bird can come back to me. Though this wish is totally um, mm, what can I say, impossible, because this type of birds has no idea like us, human being. And now I'm going to show you here the three birds who are mm, staying right now in their cage. Look at this, they're really tired and scared when I make them out from their cage. Now I'm going to show you this three birds. One bird is missing here, and please pray for that bird so that it can be safe wherever it is right now. I'm so sorry for this situation.